antenna here, mate. I'd just about get out and break that off if I was you.
Should I?
Yeah, I would. Just break it off right there.
Should I just hit it and go?
No, just break it off.
As you drive past, just break it back.
Get that bastard off.
There you go. You definitely want to hit that count.
I'm only equipped with all-terrain tyres, they won't do much.
Hey.
I'm only equipped with all-terrain tyres.
Well, he's pretty keen to find something.
Isn't he? What?
I'd say we will.
Oh, for sure. Well,
With
no,
all this
we
rain
did.
and that.
Well, there was one, like I said, there was one spot where we didn't even attempt it, you know. Hey, mate, remember that spot?
Yeah.
That's some money. So are they both as keen as mustard? Or?
Yeah, she's worse than him.
Oh.
She's a real little fucking go-getter.
Just like friggin' Olivia, isn't it?
Yeah, sort of.
We take it straight?
Whatever you like. Oh, yes, look at this here.
Oh. Hold up. He's coming. That's what we're after.
Smile, mate.
The opposition says while the meeting will be in the same room,
Through that, no problem at all.
home and a man is in hospital with serious head injury.
Gee, look at this down here.
And is there anything you're really hoping makes it into the countdown? Everything.
Joy would definitely be in there.
The route there.
Cool. Awesome. Well, enjoy your shopping, get prepared, and enjoy your party tomorrow.
We can take off on it, leave it
Free
behind.
jazz, have fun.
Just pull up past here.
Let's jump back
I'm assuming
into
you can't-
countdown
yeah, you can't hold up to
from
me.
last
Yeah.
year, which, do you remember what made it in at number 86? Number 86.
Come on up.
I've never seen more treacherous conditions in all my life. How'd you go under that one, mate? Just go slowly,
Just go slow.
real slow. I think it'll scratch you up.
Here we go. Oh.
You alright?
Yep.
Get whipped.
Yeah. I was going to put my hand down.
That's why you got roof racks are good, Dad, because they stop that crap.
Yeah.
And I was going to put my hand down and push it up. The fucking thing come back and got me.
This
Fuck off, your mozzies.
This is why I like the Jackaroo a lot better, but this isn't just a good car. With the Jackaroo, you just smash through that. You wouldn't even snap that antenna, would you, Dad?
Nah.
You just go straight through it, doesn't matter.
I'd like that Jackaroo here.
There we go.
Yeah, wind her up. Ready? Now this one here, Dad.
Yeah, this is the one we didn't attempt, I think, isn't it?
That's the one. Let's go have a look at it.
Let's have a look.
Nice work. Nicely done.
Nice and
Jackaroo we come back this way
we
though.
did too. You're right. You're right. We did come the other way too.
That was a good day, but at least we're back out here doing it again. Different cars, different, more people.
Oh, no, not more people. Well, more people, but not more cars.
No.
Oh no, I mean more like with someone.
Oh,
we were out
I
by
wouldn't have
ourselves.
done that without
No
Nick
way.
being there, buddy boy.
They even said, it even says on forums and stuff, don't attempt anything by yourself out here.
No. Even my brother, because he come to see what I was at the depot for. So I'm just waiting for Brian, because we're going for a drive on Glasshouse. Said, wait, by yourself or with somebody? Said, no, we've got somebody to go. He goes, and he says, don't do it.
That's why I need you at Jeff, so
Where's
they
the
get.
cigarette lighter? Down there.
Hey, he did very well back there.
Down just sitting.
It felt. I tell you, you feel.
It's got power or not.
You feel the gravity pulling on you going down.
No, she in? Yeah, you got power to that one, Brandon.
We haven't got one to the back one.
There is one in the back, but it doesn't seem to have power
You
to
want?
it.
You want?
No, leave it
Oh,
on. Just leave it on.
To record. It just might have
You don't, no, on pictures though, you don't get the
full
depth,
extent
mate.
Yeah.
as to actually being there doing it.
Yeah.
This could be a tricky. Get ready. Get that freaking thing out of the way.
Go.
It's all about hill starts, isn't it?
Well, he wanted some serious shit, and I think he's getting it today.
Yep.
Yeah, we're not scared to try stuff.
He's still got excellent mobile coverage in here.
Hey, what?
That one might have scratched a bit. Just a bit.
I love his little kids, eh? God, I like those two.
Is Pop their great grandfather?
Poppy is their great granddad.